Allan, welcome to the Digital Farm. You're with the CSIRO working on putting omega-3 fatty acids from fish into plants. I won't mention the word Frankenstein. Tell us about your work, your important work.
Well, the omega-3 fatty acids that you normally get from fish are very important for the nutritional benefits throughout life, particularly in infant development. Most of your brain is composed of DHA and the retina in the eye, so very important during pregnancy and early infants. But also in adult life, it's important for mood, depression control, and general cognitive abilities. So that's a well-founded nutritional benefit. But our problem is that the supply from fish is just too inadequate, and a lot of the fisheries are declining or under threat. So we have to find an alternative source for those nutrients for people. And there's another couple of billion people on the planet soon, and we're just not going to have enough fish to supply from that source.
So you're working on a project to put omega-3 fatty acids into plants, and you've got a canola crop going at the moment. Can you describe the process of what you're doing and how long it's going to take?
Yeah, so basically the omega-3 that we get from fish actually comes from plants. It comes from plants in the ocean, microalgae. So what we discovered was how they do that process and what enzymes they have to create those omega-3 fatty acids, and then the genes that control those enzymes. And we took those genes and put them into our plants and found that we could get the seeds, in this case canola, to also produce the omega-3 fatty acids. So this is the first time that land plants have been producing the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. We now have levels in the seed which match the levels that are in fish oils and algal oils.
That's amazing and very well done. So what are the opportunities in terms of human nutrition?
Well, you can calculate the amount that we would need to feed the planet its recommended daily intake of omega-3s, specifically EPA and DHA, and we could potentially supply that whole volume from the global canola crop. So you can see that we've really uncovered a new source that takes the pressure off fisheries. And so we're down the development pathway to produce that product for agriculture and to supply the consumers with a new source of omega-3.
So what are the commercialisation opportunities involved in what sounds to me like a very exciting breakthrough?
I'm a plant breeder by training, so I come from Sydney University many years ago and was working in modifying the oil in particularly linseed for a number of years, took a product to market in Australia and predominantly in Canada. And then gene technology came along and we realised we could do a lot more to improve the composition and create new products in oilseeds using genetic manipulation. And so for the last 10 or 15 years I've been building a group that's focused on that at CSIRO in Canberra. And that group's led by Dr. Surinder Singh, and we're a group of nearly 30 people now. And so we have this product, the omega-3 fatty acid. We also have a super high oleic safflower product coming along towards market as well for the lubricants market and for chemical feedstocks, so predominantly in industrial oil. And we've also uncovered how we can make oil in leaves of plants, not just in the seeds. So we found a technology that can really expand the amount of oil we can grow on the planet and lower the production cost, potentially making it available for biofuels.